Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain about flash drives and how to fix it. Most of it is almost have the same concept. So the most common thing is the write protection error. So the solution which I'm gonna tell you about it is supposed to be the last solution you have to follow when you failed everything, cause mine you will never recover your flash drive data on it. So it's instead of you throwing it, you can use it again. This is all. The thing is, every flash drive have a firmware, and that firmware, when it's get corrupted or destroyed in kind of physically you can't repair it, but if it's kind of firmware get corrupted because of data corruption or whatever, I think you can restore it easily. So I searched about my flash drive and I found that my flash drive is having Vision Inventor, which actually is the name of the company, and the flash drive controller number is 2251. And how I would know this stuff, you can open your flash drive and see the firmware chip, or if your flash drive is like this one, so small that you can't open it and you don't want to even open your flash drive or something like that, you can use application for that, and this application called Flash Genius, Chip Genius. And Chip Genius is like reading your flash drive data. You open it and it works on 32 and 64-bit, any kind of Windows it can work on it. So I opened it and I found that my chip inventor is Vision and chip part number is 2251, or the controller is 2251 PS. Anyway, it gives also you the flash ID code and the firmware version. So let's see what we can do. Here is a website and it's called Flash Drive Repair, and when you click on Vision, the company of the firmware, or the name of the firmware, you're gonna find the controller number. Here is Vision chip controller numbers is 225150 and 2251, and whatever two numbers coming after this, and all of it can work on Vision firmware. All of the tools you can try it. Some of it's good, but I use this one, which is Vision Format Restore, which actually restoring the firmware. So here is when you open it and try to run it, it gives you that message in the beginning. It will restore everything to the defaults, factory defaults. So I guess it's a better way to restore it, and when you restore it, it's gonna make format anyway, so you would lose everything in both of cases. So try to restore it first. Okay, I hope that would works with you. that solution works for Kingston and Toshiba, because Kingston and Toshiba, they're using the Vision chip or the Vision firmware chip. Okay, most of it. So this is all. Scan desk and other side, on the other side, is using scan desk chip or firmware or OTI. You can find it also here on this website, OTI. And it gives you many utilities and many applications that it can fix also your firmware. So I hope once you see that video you understand how the flash drive works, and if this didn't work, that means you got physical damage to your flash drive and you will never recover it. But first you have to check your firmware and your firmware number, and if it exists here, and what kind of applications that it can work with this firmware. And there is a lot of other utilities on that website. You can use it as well, it's good. So make it this is the last solution. Alright, this is all. I hope that was useful for you.